Hello teacher. Need to send relevant information from a long PDF to your students? Try using the Split PDF feature in ILOVEPDF. Step 1. Click on Split PDF. Step 2. Select the PDF file and click Open. Step 3. Split the PDF by entering a custom range or fixed range. Step 4. Click on Split PDF. Your PDF has been split. Click on Download to have the split material on your device. Now you can easily share a part of the PDF with your students. Additionally, teachers can use this feature to create personalized study guides or materials tailored specifically to the needs and abilities of each student. For more such tech tips from INSCO that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.